Alright guys, I'm about to wash my truck. I just got off work and this is what I use right here to wash it. I use microfiber towels from Walmart, 14 by 14. It's a 30 pack. They're about like $7. And then I use this aluminum wash and wax from McGuire's. And I use the wheel cleaner too from McGuire's. And a quick detail too from Chemical Guys. And then I use the Rain-X glass cleaner. It works pretty good, especially in the rain, and the water slides up when it starts raining. And then that's my tire shine from McGuire's. It works pretty good. It's like about like 7 something, but it works pretty good. That's my bucket. And some dirty towels. All right, man. All right, guys, and I forgot to tell you one more thing. I got a helper. Professional cleaner right here, bro. Straight from Cali.
Mario.
I'm ready. Let's go wash the trucks.
Oh, you're gonna go wash it?
Yeah, let's go.
Vamos, güey, pues. Let's go. What are you doing, fool?
My low washer fluid like came on, so I'm gonna put some fluid. I bought it yesterday because it's been going on for like a week. I'm gonna put it on right now before we go wash the trucks.
That you're into me. I need your touch, yeah, I need your fever. Take my broken parts, take all of me. Take all of me.
Yeah, take it all. Ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it but can't. I know you far from insane, but I keep lying to me, cause I've been dying to meet. And it feel like I follow you out in the street, and I promise you all that I know. Everywhere that my mind goes, elevated. Heart strong but my head faded. Way back when we first dated, I'm gone now. Had to go cause I'm on now. When my intuition got me in the mission. We see eye to eye but you ain't in my vision, oh no. I said oh no. Back in the day I used to say, a girl like you I used to pray for.
Let me get some change right now.
It's just gonna kill me, Nikki, I'm still me, but I'm just better. It's been 6 months since we touched last, but I grow fast with this letter, and I swear to God that I'm better.
Blow your smoke too.
Alright guys, we're gonna get started. Pretty dirty. This is before the wash. We're gonna show you when we're cleaning them. My cousin. This is clean already, but he got a little bit dirty yesterday. But he's gonna give it another quick wash for the video for you guys. Huh, Mario?
Yeah, I just washed it yesterday.
Alright. Stay tuned.
Blow your smoke too far, got the mirror right on aim.
Sorry, you guys on 4. I can't
You're
afford
out.
them.
What kind of stuff do you use? What is it?
I use the Chemical Guys Citrus Car Wash. You can get this at your local Walmart. $16.99, but it works pretty good.
Yeah. I think you gotta start it first and stop, bro.
Hmm?
Yeah, if not, it's gonna blow. Huh? Just kidding, go. Crashes your car, guys. Use our own button and everything. Alright, this is the wheel cleaner from McGuire. Easy. It works pretty good. I just spray it on there, leave it for 15 seconds, spray it down.
spray wax from Chemical, guys.
We got them all cleaned up already. Ready for the car show coming up. Nah, I'm just kidding. Damn, so you got down though. My cousin cleaned the engine too. Just a quick little clean. my track. Mario, you should show everyone how to use that shit.
Yeah,
You just spray it
just spray this shit, bro. That's it.
and then wipe it down.
You wipe it down with your towel.
A microfiber towel.
It's a V6 on steroid.
Yeah, take it all. Ain't no way I could break it off. Girl, is you really down to pay the cost? Reverse the role that you can play the boss. Already know my vision is faded. I try to evade it, but can't. I know you far from a saint, but I keep lying to me. Cause I've been dying to meet, and it feel like I follow you out in the street. And I promise you all that I know. Everywhere that my mind goes, elevated. Heart strong, but my hair faded. Way back when we first dated, I'm gone now. Had to go cause I'm on now. When my intuition got me in the mission. We see eye to eye, but you ain't in my vision, oh no. I said, oh no. Back in the day, I used to fast with this letter, and I swear to God that I'm better.
Blow your smoke too far, got the mirror. Write our name in hearts, baby, I can see that you're into me.
take it all. Ain't no way I can break it off. Girl, is you really down